Welcome back to the Sunscan channel. Sunscan continues to lead the way with our revolutionary new flat plate collectors. We've spent countless hours at SABS testing our products. This has given us the knowledge and edge in durability and performance. With this knowledge, we've come out with our new range of flat plate collectors. This new range of flat plate collectors is what we like to call our premium performers. They use high-grade copper and the latest selective coating to make them as efficient as possible. Real-world testing has showed figures that we can't even imagine. These figures are way more efficient than every other panel that we've previously tested. We have two ranges of flat plate collectors, our Class 1 and our Premium Performer, which is next to me. Our Class 1 comes in 1.5, 2 and 2.5 square meters, and our Premium Performer comes in 2 and 2.4 square meters. If you have any questions about our new product or any of our other products, feel free to let us know through the Sunscan website or down below. And your unit will not come with a massive Sunscan sticker like this, but all of our Sunscan units come with the label on the side. So if it doesn't have a Sunscan label, it's not one of our official units.